Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate video conferencing with Zoom easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Zoom on your computer. Sign in to your Zoom account. Select the settings option in the sidebar. Click on the schedule tab. Find the automatically recording section. Enable the automatically record meeting option. Choose whether to record locally or to the cloud. Navigate back to the main Zoom interface. Select Schedule a meeting to set up a new meeting. Fill in the meeting details such as the topic, date, and time. Set the duration and time zone for your meeting. Scroll down to find the recurring meeting option if needed. Select this box if you want the meeting to repeat. Customize other settings such as registration and meeting password as desired. Once done, click Save to schedule your meeting. Now, head to the Integrations section in Zoom settings. Connect Zoom with your calendar application, like Google Calendar or Outlook. Authorize access when prompted. Open your calendar application. Locate the meeting you just scheduled. Copy the meeting link. Set a reminder for your meeting in your calendar application. For further automation, consider using tools like Zapier or Ift. Set up a workflow that sends invitations automatically based on your calendar events. Make sure to test the automation to ensure everything functions smoothly. Review your Zoom settings periodically for any updates or new features. Monitor your recorded meetings to ensure the audio and video quality meet your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.